We're here in front of a gorgeous tree at the Kuramoto Japanese Gardens at the Devonian Botanic Gardens near Devon, Alberta. And one of the reasons this is such a beautiful tree is that it's able to bring enough water from the ground up to the top of the tree to all the leaves. Now, how does a tree accomplish that? It does it with three processes. One is transpiration, two is capillary action, and three is osmosis. Now, how do those three processes work? Transpiration is the first process, and it all starts with the leaves. Leaves have pores in them that allow moisture to evaporate. That evaporation of moisture leaving the leaf draws more moisture into the leaf, and that in turn draws moisture, water, through branches and up through the trunk. So transpiration is the first step in getting water up into the tree. Now, the second stage is capillary action. Now, you may have drunk water in a glass and try to shake the water out of the glass and notice that the water droplets stick to the side of the glass. That's because water is very good at sticking to surfaces. We call that adhesion. Now, that water sticking to the inner surface is used by the tree. Water moves up through the tree in a tissue called xylem, which is basically tubes. Now, when water is inside those tubes, it grabs on to the inside of the tubes, which keeps it from falling back down. So that capillary action, the grabbing of the water in the inside of the tube and holding on, really helps to move water up through the plant. Now, the third and last process is osmosis, and that happens in the roots. Of course, this tree has sent out a whole bunch of roots into the soil. Now, when those roots encounter moisture in the soil, that water moves into the roots. That's because there's more water outside the roots than inside the roots. Water moves from where there's more water to where there's less water. So we now have water into the roots, and that water moves up through the trunk via capillary action and leaves the leaves via transpiration. Those three processes working together gets water up from the ground to the top of the tree.